And the girl walking in front of
camera
you
died.
can dash it to you.
Hey, come on, just stop the record.
For why?
No, right. Point of correction.
Earlier on, you people were laughing at us when we put the back bush video up.
Yes.
Where instead of being at the backstage, we're in a back bush, small stage, Halarazi, gentleman wasn't around.
Yes.
We were laughing at fucking boys because we are finally doing Yawa.
Yes. But the haters, I saw you. You were laughing. You know who you are.
Our
You were laughing.
YouTube, you can see YouTube it.
Yes.
But now we found the real stage where we are performing,
The
and
real
we even send you footage very soon to prove this point.
Now,
Please,
I'm going to show you the
them.
proper stage.
This is where we are performing. Haters. You were happy about the back bush. Haters.
Now check out.
Look at the place.
This is a proper venue, proper stage.
Look at the church at the back.
Yes.
If you are this after, you can go and pray there.
And ask for forgiveness for hating on the fucking boys.
Hey, church day on the back where they can't talk fucking.
Scooby you.
Charlie,
Peace.
let's talk to them one. You have ended.
Oh no, we are still here.
No, we just want to greet you and congratulate you for hating. You have the best hating prize.
Good. Now return the haterade bottle and pay for it.
We'll send you footage from the stage. Foot stage.
Peace.